Hello students, welcome to Standard 10 subject Mathematics chapter 12 areas related to circles. This is now lecture number 4. In this we will apply our knowledge of finding the area of the sectors and the segments of the circle in the combination of plane figures. In this lecture we will see if we have the figures which are combination of 2-3 types of figures and how to recognize the shaded region and unshaded region and find the area. That type of examples we will see here. So the heading is areas of combinations of plane figures. The combinations of figures we will see here. So example 4 is in figure, this is the figure given. Two circular flower beds have been shown on two sides of the square ABCD. The square ABCD is given, and on that two sides at AB and CD, the circular flower bed is given by a shaded area. Shaded area is circular flower bed, and the ABCD, that is the square, its side is 56 meter side is given. Here we have shown on the figure. If the center of each of circular flower bed, this flower bed is the center and this flower bed is center also. The center of each of this flower bed is the point of intersection O of the diagonals of this square lawn. This is the square lawn, its diagonals are AC and BD. Its intersection point is O. This intersection point of diagonals is actually the center of the circular flower beds. So this point O is center for this circular flower bed also, and this O is actually the intersection point of the diagonals of the square lawn. So find the sum of the areas of the lawn and the flower beds. We want to find out the whole area. The square lawn plus the shaded area, that is the flower bed. All the sum we want here, the area. So in solution here, let OA, this OA equals to OB. As we have seen, O is the center for this flower bed. So OA and OB will be the radius of this circle. So OA equals to OB equals to R, the radius. So area of the lawn, that is the square lawn, area of the square, area of the lawn, ABCD is equal to side square. Side square means 56 square. In triangle OAB now, angle AOB, as it is the square and its diagonals, you can understand the diagonals intersect each other at 90 degree in square. So angle AOB is obvious that it will be 90 degree. And by Pythagoras theorem, in this triangle, this AB will be hypotenuse. So AB square equals to OA square plus OB square, that we can apply. OA square plus OB square equals to AB square. Now OA and OB are both equal and they are equals to R. R we have considered. So this is, here we have R square plus R square equal to 56 square. R square plus R square is 2R square equal to 56 square. So this 2 will be down to 56 square, can be written as 56 into 56, and this 2 is down. So R square equal to 56 into 56 upon 2. So we can cancel by 2, this 2 and 56 cancel, so it is 28. So R square equals to how much remaining? 28 into 56. R square equals to 28 into 56. This is R square equals to 28 into 56. And angle AOB, that is theta equals to 90 degree, as we have discussed before also. So this theta is 90 degree. So the total area that we want here, total area, that is the sum of the areas of the lawn, that is square shape, and the flower bed, that is the segment shape, that we want. So here the total area is equals to area of the sector OAB. This sector you add the whole area you want. So this sector is OAB plus area of sector ODC, this part, plus area of triangle AOD plus area of triangle OBC. So everything comes. So the total area, if you want to find out in sector point of view, if you see, the area of the sector OAB plus area of sector ODC plus area of triangle OAD plus area of triangle OBC. Everything we have added, all four parts. Two sectors and two triangles. If we add two opposite sectors and two opposite triangles, if we add, the total area we will get. So the total area is area of the sector OAB, that is upper sector, plus area of sector ODC, downside sector, plus area of triangle OAD, that is left side triangle, plus area of triangle OBC, that is right side triangle. And one more thing is obvious here. You can see from the figure that both the sectors up and down are of the same shape, same angles. Angle at the same, at the center is 90 degree, here also 90 degree, same shape. So we have written for both of the sectors as 2 times the area of any one sector. If you count 2 times, it will be the sum of 2 sectors. Similar way, 2 times the area of any one triangle, this is left side and right side triangle, also congruent, same. So 2 times the area of any one triangle's area will do. So 2 times area of sector is theta upon 360 pi r square, the formula, plus 2 times area of triangles is half into base into altitude, so it is 2 times half into this is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, you know, half into the product of sides forming right angle. So the product of sides forming right angle are OA into OB or OB or OC or OD, all are radius, so we can write OA into OB, OA into OD also we can write. So this is, we have done 2 times for the sectors, 2 times for the triangles. Now 2 as outside, this is theta is 90 upon 360 into pi is 22 upon 7 into r square is, we have found here, 28 into 56, that we have plus, this is 2 cancel, up and down, OA into OB is actually the r square, OA into OB, that is r into r into r is r square, and r square value again is 28 into 56, that we have placed. Here in this part area, you can understand 0 0 cancel, 9 4s are 36, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are, and 2 11s are cancel, 7 4s are 28. So what we have, 11 into 4 into 56 in this part, plus here we have 28 into 56. So 11 into 4 into 56 multiply these three will give 2464 plus multiply of 28 and 56 will give 1568. So if we add these two, the addition will be 4032 meters square. This is the total area of the given lawn as well as flower bed. Sum of the square lawn and the 2 flower beds, flower beds, the total area, the sum we have. So this way we can get the area of the combination of figures. Next example 5, we have find the area of shaded region in figure. This is the figure given. These are the shaded region given that we want to find out here. Where ABCD is a square, this is ABCD, it is a square of side 14 cm, that 14 cm we have shown. So in solution here, the diameter of each circle, we have total 4 circles, you can understand here. In this one side, 2 circles are coming edge to edge, right? So for one circle, if you think about this way, this is the radius of one circle and this is half of its one circle's diameter, and the diameter is half of the side. Diameter is the half of the side. So your diameter of each circle is half of the side of the square, that is half of the side is 14. So half of 14 we can cancel by 2, 7s are, so it is 7. So it is diameter, 7 is diameter. Therefore radius of each circle will be r equals to half of the diameter. Now half of the diameter is 7, half of diameter is 7 by 2. So radius is 7 by 2 centimeter of each circle. So from the figure now, area of shaded region if you want is equals to area of the square, the whole square's area minus the 4 times unshaded area, that is the circle we subtract, minus 4 times area of circle. We can do, we will get the shaded region. And area of the square equals to the formula we know, side square minus 4r square, and area of circle is pi r square. This is the formula we have put. Now side is for the square side is 14 square minus 4 into pi is 22 upon 7 into r square. R is 7 by 2 we have. So its square means 7 by 2, 7 by 2, 2 cancel your right. Multiply form. Here 2 2s are 4 and 4 will be cancelled. And here 1 7 is cancelled. Now here 14 square will be 196 minus 22 into 7 is 154. 196 minus 154 gives 42, and the unit will be for the area, which is centimeters, so centimeter square. So 42 centimeter square is the area of shaded region in the example 5. Now example 6 we have find the area of the shaded region. In this also we want to find out the area of shaded region in figure, where ABCD is a square, ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeter, whose side is 10 centimeter, and semicircles are drawn with each side of the square as diameter. Here each side, if we consider as diameter, like AB we consider first as the diameter, so its center will be the middle of this, and this way the semicircle is drawn on BC, this way the semicircle is drawn on DC, this way the semicircle is drawn, and on AD this way the semicircle is drawn. So each side as a diameter taken, drawn the semicircles, and that way this design comes, and on this design the shade is given, shaded part is given, and we want to find out the shaded region. How to get this? Let's see. And we have to use as pi equal to 3.14 also. Solution is, let's mark the 4 unshaded region as 1, 2, 3, 4. First of all, what we do, the shaded region we want to find out, and unshaded regions are this and this and this. 4 unshaded regions are there. We will mark as 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, therefore, area of 1 unshaded region 1 plus area of unshaded region 3 is equal to area of the square ABCD, full area of square, minus area of 2 semicircles. You can understand, 2 semicircles. This semicircle of on BC and this semicircle on AD. If we subtract these 2 semicircles, if you subtract from the whole ABCD square, we'll get this 1 and 3rd. So that is here done. Area of the square ABCD full square's area. From that subtracted is 2 semicircles area, this and opposite this. On BC diameter as, on AD diameter as, 2 semicircles are subtracted. And these semicircles are of the radius. We can understand BC is diameter, so the radius will be half of it, that is 5 centimeter. So both the sides this way, the area of 2 semicircles with the radius 5 times half 5. Now again the formula we will place here. Area of the square ABCD is equals to side square. Area of the square equals to side square, the formula, minus area of 2 semicircles means 2 times semicircles area is pi, circles area is pi r square. So semicircles area is pi r square by 2, and it is 2 times. So here 2 and 2 up and down cancel. Side square means area of square, side is 10. So 10 square minus this 2 cancel. Pi is 3.14 and r is 5. Radius is 5 and it's a square. So it is 10 square 100 minus 5 square 25 into 3.14 will give 78.5. So 100 can be written as 100.0. And then subtract from 100 to 78.5, we will get 21.5 centimeters square. This 21.5 centimeters square, it gives the sum of area of the region 1 plus area of region 3. Similarly, very similar, area of second mark plus area of fourth mark will also be the same. It's obvious from the figure, you can understand. So similarly, area of second plus area of fourth part is also 21.5 centimeters square, which will come. So Now, therefore, area of shaded region we want is equal to, you can understand, area of the whole square ABCD minus area of the marked regions 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. All this marked area, if we subtract from the whole square, we will get the shaded region. Right? So area of the square, again, it is side square, that is n square minus area of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, where 1 plus 3 is 21.5 and 2 plus 4 is 21.5. So in this 4 area, sum of 2 we have, sum of 2, 1 and third sum we have as 21.5 and second and fourth also 21.5. So actually this is the sum of these two. So this is 2 times 21.5, that is 2 times 21.5 again. So 10 square is 100 and minus 21.5 twos are 43 will be. So 100 minus 43 is 57 centimeters square is the answer of area of shaded region. So after seeing the areas of the combinations of the plane figures related examples 4, 5 and 6, in all type of examples you have to understand the figure and you know everything about the area of sector, area of segment, area of triangle. See the figure, show the shaded region and understand the unshaded region, and that way understanding, after that you can do the sum and you can get the answer. So this type of combinations of plane figures related areas you can find, and after this all examples 3 examples of related this type, we have exercise 12.3. So this is your homework to solve exercise 12.3 and complete it. In this way the chapter will also be